Hi tenors, Mr. Y here, obviously with a little tutorial on the scoops in jam. The scoops are those notes starting at number 17, you have a couple of them, where there's a quarter note with a little line going up to it. What that means is you're going to play a note below the note that's written there before you play that note. Okay, at 17 you guys have the G, but then the next two notes with the scoop on them are Ds. Okay, so you've got all 6 fingers here, of course. This is a medium D, so you've also got your thumb key down in the back. And there's a little trick to playing this one. If you play the normal note that you're going to do on a scoop, which is the note below the note that's written there, you're going to play, in your case, of course, a C. Now, there's a little bit of a curveball here, because if you do C, middle finger, and then go up to the D with your thumb key, that's an awful lot of fingers to move all at once, and it's going to come out kind of a little... I can do it, but there's a little bit of a blip in there you can hear. And at faster tempos, which you are going to get to later, that's really hard. That's really hard to coordinate all those hands. So there's a shortcut. There's an easier way to do it. Instead of playing C, middle finger here, up to D, what you're going to do is you're going to play what I call long C. What I mean by that is you're going to play the low C fingering, all 6 fingers plus your bottom pinky key on your right hand. Remember, right down here. Okay, but to make it a medium C, what you're going to do is hit your thumb key in addition to that. Okay, it comes out just sounding like a middle C. It's a little bit flat, but that's okay. We can deal with that because it's going to be so fast. Okay, so again, you're going to play the long C, and you can see to do the C to D, then all you have to do is pick up your pinky. So. What is that note? Let's see. Hang on. And then you go back to the fast part at number 20. Okay, but again, it's going to be D to C, C to D this way. By the way, on that third note, the C in measure 18, go back to the regular finger. Okay, that's a much easier way to play it. So you're going to have C, D, C, D, regular, C, B, G, B flat, D, C. They are B flats, by the way, remember. So 2 fingers plus your side key down here. Okay, and then later on, you guys get that melody too. Starting in 31, something like... So you can see doing this thing at that speed is going to be a lot easier than trying to coordinate all those fingers at once. Okay, so play the long C there. That's a much better way to go. Okay, good luck.